Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, backup camera, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.